different treasure trove in the round? I would say less than 5. If you got a ring on that one fireball, that's 20%. You know, you go and play lottery.